intersection here. This is going to be crazy. So, discovered that I had no acceleration under full throttle. First thing to check was the spark plugs. They look great. Second thing was the distributor. Turns out my screw for the rotor has come loose, is missing, and has chewed up the distributor cap. So it is almost 8 o'clock and we are headed to Advanced Auto all the way far away to go pick up a new cap and rotor. Hopefully we make it. Gonna try and take it easy, and we'll see how it goes. So keep your fingers crossed. Made it to Advanced. Let's get these parts, get home. All right, so I got a new rotor, new cap, and a new shovel. Headed home now, so yup, wish me luck. Back from Advanced, but it's like 9:30 now. It's cold, it's like 10 degrees out, and I think we'll be able to make it to drop the kids and wife off tomorrow. So my mechanic and I will catch you in the morning and install the cap and rotor. All right, see you guys then. Oh boy, she's starting to act up. Just dropped the kids off at school. We got Bobby in the back. Got to make it through this intersection here. This is going to be crazy.
And there's car not working in Grand's house today.
Yep.
Yeah. And there's car not working.
All right, we made it. All right, we're good. Oh. Low RPMs, boys. She's done. She died pulling out of my kid's school, and then just had to limp it home. So, all right, let's get her changed out and fixed back on the road. Alrighty, guys. So the next day, I'm out here with my mechanic. Say hi, Adam.
Hi. And I got my gun and I got my makeup shoes.
Yep, they light up. They light up even though it's daytime. Can't really see it. So we barely made it back from dropping the girls off at school, but lucky for us, we have our parts already here. I picked them up last night. I just didn't put them on because it was like 6 degrees. Yeah, it's very simple to replace the cap and rotor. Just pull off the three bolts, 1, 2, and there's one on the underside. And then there's usually a screw, but there's not a screw on my rotor. So yeah, we'll get to it. All right, so we're gonna need to crank the engine over just a little bit to be able to get to the screw, just on the back side here, going this way.
I got a screwdriver right here, Dad.
So, one more. So.
Now I know to, okay, Dad? Now I know to, okay? Now I know to. Now I know it's wrench, okay?
A couple things to note: if I had Loctite, I would put it on the screw. So I'm going to pick up some blue Loctite, and I'm going to put that on the back of the. I'm going to back the screw back out, and then also you don't want to like go too hard on tightening the cap because it could crack. So just go until it's tight. It doesn't need to be super crazy. Also, it's a almost brand new distributor, so the gasket was still good. They did include a rubber gasket with the cap, but I chose to not include it because mine was just fine. So, but you may want to replace that. So here's what it looks like. You know, it's all shaved down and funky, and that's no good. So let's give it a start and make sure it runs.
Let's give it a start, Dad. Let's give it a start. Here we go.
Let's give it a start. Yep, good job. High five. Low five. Awesome. So there you guys have it. Cap and rotor, spending 26 bucks, and fix the hesitation. So if you guys are bogging down, misfiring, I knew it was going to be this because I had a random misfire on all cylinders, and then I cleared that, and then I started having hesitation when I'd hit the gas. So Distributor's the first place you want to go.
And I go to preschool soon.
No, we don't want you to go to preschool. We'll miss you. We'll miss you like crazy.
I'm going to preschool soon.
I know. Yeah, he's going to preschool soon. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. You know, just fixing the Integra's hesitation. Quick video today. We will see you guys when it's not 10 degrees.
Stop.